Welcome to our instructional video on solving the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x plus 4. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression x squared plus 4x plus 4, we start by factoring the expression. Notice that the expression x squared plus 4x plus 4 can be rewritten by looking for two numbers that multiply to 4 and add up to 4. Here, both numbers are 2. Therefore, we rewrite the expression as x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. This shows that the original expression is a perfect square trinomial, and it simplifies to x plus 2 all squared. Understanding that this is a common factorization form allows us to recognize similar patterns in other quadratic expressions. Next, we proceed by solving the equation where x plus 2 all squared equals 0. To solve for x, we take the square root of both sides of the equation. Taking the square root of x plus 2 all squared, we are left with x plus 2. Taking the square root of 0, we are left with 0 on the other side of the equation. This simplifies to x plus 2 equals 0. Finally, we solve for x by subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation, giving us x equals minus 2. This provides the solution to the quadratic equation. The expression is now simplified, and we conclude that x equals minus 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.